first date in Istanbul.
Whoa!
Is it really
You know how thick that is? That's the biggest, juiciest date I've ever had. Wow.
We're Keith and Dev. Our goal is to make the most of each day, with adventures big and small. If you're new here, let's get you caught up. In 2021, we traveled across Canada. This year, we're taking on Europe. So far, we've traveled to Spain and already learned and discovered so much. In our last video, we took a flight from Barcelona to Istanbul, Turkey.
Subscribe to follow along.
We went to the grocery store to find coffee, and what are those packs called? Instant coffee seems to be the coffee everyone drinks here, so we're joining the crew. And we've got some instant coffee cappuccinos, so I'm gonna bring one to Keith. Coffee time.
Oh, hello. Howdy doodly. Oh, that's hot.
An instant coffee cappuccino. Is it good?
Yeah, creamy. This is really cool.
Coffee number 2, and we've got apple with oats and Turkish yogurt. And eggs and tomato. Big breakfast because we've got a big day of exploring Istanbul.
Okay, one thing that I can't get over is our friggin' view, man, right here. It's like, it doesn't seem real.
And we are off for our day to explore the old part of Istanbul. So we're gonna start actually with a walking tour, if we can find it.
If we can make it there too. We have a 23-minute walk ahead of us.
Our first walking tour to hopefully learn lots about the city. So let's
You know
go
what?
get walking.
I just realized I didn't study the map, so
Oh,
here you go.
gosh. Okay.
So we made it to the most historic area in Istanbul, which is also the most touristy, but that's where they offer the free walking tours.
So we're gonna do a first free walking tour.
Which is really cool. There's the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. I think that's it. And that is nuts. Just walking between these two, and the palace should be over there, I think, if my coordinates or directions are correct. It's begun. Here we go.
Let's learn some things.
She gave us a quick summary of Istanbul's history as it became the imperial capital of the Roman Empire, then the Byzantine Empire, and then taken over by the Ottoman Empire. Our tour guide's amazing, first of all. She's really funny and really sweet. I'm super excited.
So much history.
Yeah. Okay, so I flagged a bunch of places last night, places that I want to go to that are in the area, and we're gonna go to all of them.
We next headed to the Hagia Sophia, where all the women have to cover their hair to enter.
Is that good?
I don't know.
So we'll find out in a minute. I'm sure she'll tell us.
Devin's now got a little scarf on, her little buff. Hopefully that works. You can buy some, or they might give some for free.
So beautiful in here.
Shoes off.
We're in the mosque.
Wow.
So one thing that blows our mind is that we learned this place was built in 5 years. Like 5 years.
5 years, 1,500 years ago.
This is actually the third Hagia Sophia, built in 537 during the Byzantine Empire as a Christian Orthodox basilica. In 1434, the Ottoman Empire conquered the city of Constantinople and it became a mosque. In 1932, it became a museum, and recently it has turned back into a mosque.
Fun fact, Hagia Sophia's 104 columns were imported from the Temple of Artemis in Ephesus as well as from Egypt. Little washroom break. We're now walking through another area here after the Hagia Sophia.
It's actually kind of cold today. That's why I'm wearing my buff as my hat. So we got a coffee and a tea to warm us up.
Got a tea. Yeah, I'm wearing my warmest gear actually today.
To go because we just keep moving. Okay, so we just learned we're walking by this park that tulips actually originated in Turkey. It was a gift from a sultan
to
Amsterdam, and so tools actually come from Turkey.
Our guide is so nice and helpful. She's telling us about food and restaurants to go to and areas to cover. A lot of very helpful tips for sure. 3,000 years old. Imported from Egypt by a Roman emperor around 480. And the serpent statue that is half broken, a sacrificial monument originally from Delphi, is 2,000 years old. Devin, are you excited about this?
Yes, fruits and vegetables, I love it.
Well, what a tour. Oh my goodness. First walking tour, and definitely not the last because she was amazing.
Yeah, wow. Walking tours are so cool. Like I've learned so much about Istanbul and Turkey in the last 2 hours, 3 hours. I don't even know what time it is. That
Made a
was
friend,
amazing.
met some other foreigners.
Yeah, it was really, really cool.
So worth it.
And so our day is not over. We're going to go, we walked through beautiful markets, so I think we're gonna go buy some fruit.
Maybe get some lunch, maybe get a little donair.
And check out the Grand Bazaar because that's something you gotta do in Old Istanbul.
And it's close to our place too. Some dates for 35 Turkish lira, which is like what, $3.50? And this bag of strawberries for $1.50 at the freshest food market I've ever been to.
Some fresh strawberries while we walk around Istanbul. That's so good. Wow. He was like strawberries, and I was like, yeah, strawberries.
Nice. There's an obelisk that's 3,000 years old behind me. And here I am eating a date in the old Roman Hippodrome. Oh my god.
First date in Istanbul.
Whoa.
Is it really
You know how thick that is? That's the biggest, juiciest date I've ever had. Holy guacamole.
We're ordering some dessert before we've got lunch. So we're just walking and we stopped at a random place because the price looked good. So we're gonna get some food.
And we ordered 1 plate of chicken and a bit of beef. Look at this.
Try it, see if it's
Wow, that's meaty. That was not a fun night last night. I have a headache too.
This is a street, so go to the sidewalk.
Don't stand in front of cars here because they do not stop.
Different
Unlike
from
Spain,
Spain.
they
That's
will
my favorite
run you
way to
over.
do.
Well, they
also
won't do
got
that, but they'll hit you.
Another sandwich. I didn't show myself eating, but it was really good, the food I got.
It was nice. I was slightly disappointed in my beef, so I got a chicken one for the road.
They also put fries in their sandwiches.
Don't they do that in Greece too? Similarities that they don't want to discuss. And we're gonna walk to the Grand Bazaar now.
We're entering the Grand Bazaar. Let's do it.
We're gonna get lost in here.
So quickly, but I'm excited. Really nice because there's nothing particular we want to buy, so we don't feel the stress of like all the stuff. It's just nice to look around.
Best one yet? Do you want to spend your money? We're all gonna die. let ourselves get lost, and now we're trying to get out. And I think we got it.
I think we're on the right path.
It is a bit confusing though.
Okay, so we just got out of the bazaar, and it was way less intimidating than I honestly thought it was going to be. I was so
same.
worried that people were going to be like harassing us the whole time to buy stuff, but it was not like that at all.
People are very polite.
People were very kind.
People are very nice here.
It was a very good experience. We didn't buy anything,
But also
we
it
knew
was-
that was going to happen.
Yeah, it was also like nice stuff. Like it would look like high quality jewelry and beautiful silk cloth. Yeah,
Very nice.
not low quality. So after all that not buying, I'm gonna buy food. As we do, we don't spend money on stuff. Food it is. I'm happy with this $1 bagel. Not bagel, pretzel.
Is it good?
Yeah. Wow, what a day.
We are back at our Airbnb and we're gonna call it a night. We are so pooped.
We're pooped like always at the end of our videos, but that's a good sign. It means that we do a lot of stuff and we're tired at the end of the day.
Yes, I think our brains especially just took in so much information today.
Oh yeah,
It was incredible.
Istanbul has so much to offer. Obviously, so many layers of history.
It's
It is
so much.
mind-blowing. Tomorrow, what are we doing, Dev?
Tomorrow we are going to be exploring New Istanbul, which is just across the river actually.
Right
over there.
that way.
Well, yeah, you can see the point of it right there. But yes.
Yeah, that way. Right, this way. On an angle.
So, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
Thanks for watching.
Wait,
Yeah, I guess I'll
where
come
are
with
we?
you.
Yeah, where are we?
Here in Istanbul, behind an Obelix. Sorry, in front of an Obelix. I say Obelix. What's it called?
I don't know.
I said the character from Asterix and Obelix.
I don't know.
About Obelisk?
So also, the tour company that we got our free walking tour with, which again, you like tip what you want, was called the...
You're reading the wrong side.
No, but this is the name of the tour company.
Oh, the tour company.
So that's the tour company.
Well, can I say it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Yurbis is the name of the free walking tours in Istanbul.
Yeah, that we
And
went
our
to.
amazing tour guide was Gülperi. And I'm pronouncing that wrong. Gülperi Parlak. Anyhow.
She was amazing. She was so awesome.
She was really sweet. Also, hi to Celine Sue, her daughter, who is interested in YouTube.